Hello, today we're talking surface area. Surface area is the total area of all the surfaces. So in a rectangular prism, there's 6 surfaces. So we would find the area of the top, the bottom, the front, the back, the left, and the right sides, and then add them all up. So that would give us this formula here. So if I did the length times the width, that would be the length times the width, that would give me the area of the bottom. Double it, and I have the area of the top and the bottom. Then length times height would give me the area of the front here. Double it, I have the area of the front and the back. And then width times height would give me the area of the side. Double it, and I have the left and the right side. So SA for surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. So I like to simplify this a little bit, and I write my formula as 2 LW plus LH plus WH. Okay? It doesn't matter if you put the 2 in the front, or some kids like to put the 2 LW, LH, WH, like to put the 2 in the back. And we use the saying, little Willie lost his white hat twice. So LW is the length times the width, lost his length times height, white hat, height times width, and then double it for twice. Little Willie lost his white hat twice. That's how you memorize the formula. So let's try it. So if I want to find the surface area of this shape, so let's say that I'm wrapping a present for somebody and I want to know that I have enough wrapping paper. Well, I have to make sure the wrapping paper covers this side and the bottom and the top and the front and the back. So I want paper everywhere. It really stinks when you don't cut your wrapping paper big enough and you have like a gap, or one end doesn't get covered, or it sticks out, or ends up looking funny. So surface area is important when you're doing things like painting all the walls, or painting all the walls, the ceiling, and the floor, or things like that, or wrapping a gift, like what I was just talking about. So if I want to find the surface area of this, I write 2 little Willie lost his white hat twice. Okay, then I plug in what I need. 2, the length is 15, the width is 2, the length is 15, the height is 7, the width is 2, the height is 7. So then I'm going to do 2, and then 15 times 2, which is 30, plus 15 times 7, which is 105, plus 2 times 7, which is 14. So I have 30 plus 105 plus 14, and that gives me 149. Now I have to double it so that I would get all those opposite sides included, which gives me 298. And its surface area, so area is centimeters squared. Okay, let's see what other kind of interesting shapes we have. Okay, we have 2 more shapes and some word problems. So let's have you use the formula for this shape right here. So let's write out the formula. Little Willie lost his white hat twice. Okay, substitute everything in. Go ahead and calculate it out. Okay, then add everything up. You get 837 times 2, 1,674. That is a gigantic box. Okay. Word problem, you'd pull out everything that you need. Caitlin needs to cover her sofa cushions. So you have 10 thick, 45 long, and 32 high. You could draw the picture, just like you have here, or you could just label it. So long, this would be your length. I would think that thickness and height would be the same thing, but we're going to call this one width then, and this one height, because I don't like the way it's worded, but we're going to roll with it. So surface area equals 2. Little Willie lost his white hat. Finish it up. I'm going to insert a question, so this will pause. Finish it up and then check your work and your answer. And then multiply by 2. All right. Hopefully you got it right. If not, go back through, check your work, find out where you made your mistake. And that's it. Have a good night or a good day.